So guys, this will be my 100th video. It's been a year already. Bro, it's been a year of not consistently but uploading. Yeah, it's been a year me uploading my channel. And you can see in my past videos I look a little younger. Yeah, puberty hit me hard. Yeah, but this will be the 100th video commemorating the channel's achievements through the years. So thank you. I just wanna thank you to people for supporting this channel, even though I do not consistently post. And that's all. As always, what do I say? Peace out.